What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today I got planned to clean and detail the Navigator today. It's a warmer day, 50, it's supposed to be 53, but it is super windy out, so I'm going to try to do it inside. I need to make sure that that green hose will reach up from the house to the barn. Not really sure. I've done it in the past, but I don't know if I use 3 hoses or 2. But I just really don't want to be in the wind today. It's pretty ridiculous. It's supposed to rain tomorrow and snow over the weekend, so I just want to make sure that I get a good layer of protectant before it does so. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Well, I've got both hoses hooked up and it doesn't quite reach. So we're going to do it like right around in that area, and then when we're ready to dry it, I'll just pull it in here, close that door, maybe close one of those doors, and it shouldn't be windy, and we will do a good job of drying it, hopefully. Alright, now I gotta do some situating, grab my products, pull the Navigator up, just a bunch of random stuff just to get it ready. So I'm just kind of waiting for the water to run through the hose a little bit. It's been frozen for the past couple days, so whatever was inside the hose is kind of just working its way through right now. It should thaw up pretty fast, and I had it running through there earlier, but just take a quick look at what I'm using today. Let's see, we'll start. I'm going to use, this guy is Mean Green Automotive. I'm going to combine it. I'm going to use these on the tires. Let's see how well that works. Shampoo, Adam shampoo, really nothing beats it. It's in this foamer. And this is a mixture of 2 things that I'm not going to tell you guys about because it's kind of a secret. But it works really awesome. Got this, never really used this very much, but we're going to try it out. Just make the tires look black, and then any black plastic trim, I'll use 3 or 3 on. Ooh, I forgot an applicator pad, but that's fine. I'm gonna have to grab another one of these, but I can use this for just the rims of the face, and then I'll probably have to grab another one and use it on just any cracks, crevices, parts of the vehicle that I'm not gonna be able to get my washman on. Sebastian's in the way. This guy I'll use on the rubber itself because it's more stiff bristle. So I'm gonna pull up the Navigator and then fill up the bucket, put the microfiber somewhere where they won't get dirty or where Sebastian won't be on them, and then we'll get into the washing process. I'm gonna start with the wheels, and then we'll just work from there, and I'll do a time warp of everything. Hope you guys enjoy. Well, it's a few hours later. I had to go inside and eat something. But I'm gonna pull her out. I need to go to town, but I just want to do a quick walk around of how she looks. She's got pretty good shine. You can see me pretty well. It's pretty cool. I did tire dressing on the tires. Yeah, they really 200,000 miles. It cleans up pretty well. I already see cat prints on the hood. awesome. No surprise there. Yep, she looks pretty good. Pretty happy with the results. I know it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but I don't know, it's just moments like these that it makes it worth it. Hello, Sebastian. Yeah, it looks awesome. Great shine. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video of me cleaning the Navigator up. If you liked it, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. I'm going to do a little time lapse of driving to town and kind of see what Illinois is like in the country. But I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.